Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be sharing this video with you because I'm finally doing something with my front entry. It has looked like this for too long. Basically nothing's there. There's a cat dish and a boat shelf thing. So we're going to be clearing it out right now, cleaning it up, and I'm going to be setting it up for you guys with a new table that my mom just redid. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name's Shelby. I do videos like this, cleaning videos, day in the life, mommy style videos, you name it. If you're not subscribed already, I would love for you to join us and stick around. I'm just gonna be starting with cleaning up the cat dish area. It's gotten a little disgusting. They're pretty messy when it comes to eating their food, so it gets everywhere. I'm going to wash their water dish, wash their food dish, clean out the tray, and then that will be all ready to refill for them. It actually looks so much better. So next thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to sweep up the area, and I am going to give it a quick mop as well. So this table my mom actually painted white on the bottom and finished the top for me. She found it, I think, on the side of the road. So I'm pretty impressed with how it turned out, and I'm super pumped for how it's gonna look in my front. The cat dish is raised up a little bit, but don't worry, they have no problem eating and drinking out of it. Next thing I'm gonna do is just tidy up the boat shelf. I keep my oils in here. I just think it's the perfect little storage space for them. So I'm just organizing them in order of how I use them. And then I just got this super cute planner from Winners, so I'm really excited to keep planning my years out and getting organized. And I really hope you've been enjoying this series, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching.